camera, fraction.
What about
All right.
the
Okay. So we've learned almost all of the exponent rules, as far as I can think. I hope I'm not missing something, but I'm pretty sure we have. And I'll have to check tonight and just be sure. But there's only one that we haven't learned, and it is when you have a zero exponent, right? So if you had x to the 0 power, so this is it. It's called a, sorry.
If you have x to
We're
the-
talking about 0 exponents,
Oh, okay.
right? What would you think that would equal?
0. 0. Because it's 0 of x.
That would equal x.
It's 0.
So some people say 0, some people say x. Anybody else?
Can I
Any
say
other
y?
guess? What?
Can I say y?
Can you? Yes.
Because it's 0
Oh wait,
of that number.
which did you say was the answer? 0. Okay. And why is the reason?
Because it's 0 of that number.
I agree with London.
I disagree because it just multiplies by. Oh.
Yeah, there's nothing there. But
And you're saying it equals 0. So are you multiplying the exponent times the base?
No.
How did you get it done? I didn't quite follow.
It's
Oh, I know what it
there's
is.
no x.
What?
There's no x. It's 0 of it.
You don't multiply by base.
But 0 of it means 0 times. Of means times in math.
You don't
So
multiply by
you're
base.
multiplying the exponent times the base.
No, it's not.
So that is a no-no, London.
No, it's
I
Ever,
can't
ever,
believe
ever.
you did that. You
No.
never, ever, ever, ever
ever,
multiply
ever,
the
ever,
exponent
ever,
times
ever,
the base.
ever,
Ever, ever, ever, even with 0, buddy boy. Understand me? Okay. So somebody else raised their hand. Who else had an idea? Lila, did you have an idea? Or did it?
No.
All right. So
15.
my question. So my question, okay, before we get the answer, let's think of another rule that we know, okay? Let's think of this. What if I gave you this? X to the, well, let's use this rule. X to the A over, well, I guess I usually use it with M's, right? So A to the M over A to the N is equal to what? A to the what?
A to the m minus n.
Yes, right? All right, so think of a scenario that would give me a 0 exponent I'm using that rule.
If n and n are the same.
Okay, so give me an example.
don't divide by
A to
0.
the 4th over a to the 4th.
Okay, so would you agree with me that a to the 4th over the 4th would equal a to the 4 minus 4?
Yes.
Which would equal a to the 0, right? Yes, right, everybody agrees, right? No question. Everybody fist to 5, you get it, right?
That's 5, but I'm wanting to have 4.
Okay. But what is a to the 4th over a to the 4th? 1. You have the same thing upstairs and downstairs, right? Doesn't that equal 1? Oh, so x to the 0 equals 1.
Whoa.
Isn't that weird? That's so weird. But it's awesome because you're going to love it on the homework.
Everything is awesome.
What if I gave you this? What is 18,000 to the 0 power?
1.
It equals 1. What is 4 to the 0 power?
1.
What is x, y to the negative
I'm just gonna write in the middle.
4,000,
1.
z to the negative 10,000, all raised to the 0 power? 1. Okay, what is 4 times
Lesson
x
over.
squared y to the 10th, z to the 11th, raised to the 0 power? No.
Alright, stop.
Wait, what is the answer to this one?
4.
4, because what's 1?
1 and then 1 times 4.
It's only what the 0, the exponent affects. What is the exponent next to? Right, which means it only affects what's inside the parenthesis. So this now is 1, so that's 4 times 1, which is 4. Right? Okay, what if I gave you this?
Wait, I'm writing.
down.
Write it down quickly.
What if I give you this?
F5 button.
42 x, y, z times negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a to the 0 power.
Y, X, Y, Z. 42 X, Y, Z.
Right, this all is just 1. So it's 42 x, y, z.
Oh my god, I love this.
I told you you'd love it. It's the one rule that like makes things so easy.
I love the rule number 4.
So what if, yeah, I know, I figured you would.
We're only using rule number 4 from now on, okay, Gary?
Gary, we're not using rule number 3 ever again.
Nope. If you do, kill me.
Okay.
Okay.
What if I gave you,
If he does.
what if I gave you
Of course.
4x to the 10th, y to the 7th, z to the 0
No, Gary.
over
You betrayed us.
Kill
over
me now.
8 x
Don't.
to the 5th, y to the 0, z squared. What
Gary,
would I do?
knew it.
The answer is what?
No.
No.
Gary,
So-
can you just make the answer 1?
So 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 8 twice.
So it'd be 1/2.
So 1/2.
Okay.
Draw my line.
Oh no. I'm
What would I
still
put-
writing down
what would I put-
them.
Oh, sorry.
Wait.
It would put-
Then it'll be on top of the x to the 5th, and then y, and then y would be
Never get a chance.
y. The y would be on the top.
Y to
That'll
the
be
7th.
6.
Wait. Let's
Why
do.
the 1?
All right. First of all, let's just. London said this would be on the top would be x to the 5th. Is he right?
Yeah.
If I cross this out, bring up, subtract 5 from that, I've got x to the 5th. If now, but how did this become y to the 6th?
Because y.
It's not y. Y to the 0 does not equal y to the 1. It equals 1. This equals 1. So it's just gonna. That's gonna stay there. Y to the 7th. Right? Now that does not equal z to the 1. It's just 1.
And you can cross that out.
So I
with
don't
the-
need it. So I just keep down the keep my z squared down here.
Still love this rule.
Yeah, it's a nice rule. I like it.
Best
I like this
rule
rule.
ever.
All right, so we're done. Okay.
Yay!
So I'm gonna.
5 minutes
That's all I wanted to do.
over.
I'm probably forgetting the most important rule, but whatever.